I keep a contract in the back of the car, just in case somebody really wants to make me a star. I get in contact with celebrities, drop a demo with that manager that they'll never see. I guess it's our time, I accept the right.
I bought a plug that has a magnet on it to, attract any debris or crap that's in the oils.
Proud of me. You always thought I was a nobody. I'm tying my shoelaces and I wanna see your faces singing one before I die. For that color turn me down, wish that you could see me now, singing one before I die. You already know. And this is not where I thought I would be. Can't even sell 100 and my tickets are free. Just gotta hold on until something breaks. Keep on smiling at the rain and never make a mistake. It gets on when no one gets the joke that you already know, but you build that shit up anyway.
Okay, I'm excited to see how that plug works with the magnet on it. I saw Ryan Urlacher, Harley makes a dipstick that has that magnet on it. Victory doesn't have that, no one makes that. But I did find a plug that works for it. It's an M12. The Victory plug is an M12 by 1.5, and they make one that has a magnet on it. So next oil change, I guess we'll see if that worked. If I have any